Hello friends, today I would like to share an instructional position where it is black to play. White in this position wants to play h5, complicate matters and attack our king side. What would you play in this position if you were given the black pieces? I hope you saw that after knight takes h4, white is threatening queen takes h7 with the deadly consequences for black. In the game, black played a wonderful move, queen to c4. Black is offering an inevitable queen exchange because at the same time we're targeting the h4 pawn. Why would black want to exchange the queens here? Well, after queen exchange, white's kingside attack loses purpose, as once the queens are not on the board, the checkmates in the middle game are super rare, and any attack against the king loses its effectiveness. What's good about this position is that after white takes the queen, we're not only opening up the file for our rook, we're not only attacking two pawns at the same time with our knight, but we are also ready to play b5 and place our bishop, that it was a bad one, on the long diagonal and make it into an active one. White lost all its initiative and black enjoys a very good position. Please take a moment to see that after queen c4, white cannot do anything to maintain the queen on the board. As I previously mentioned, any attempt like queen g3 would lose the pawn on h4, and even if white keeps the queens on the board somehow, then black has a material advantage and white no longer has that threat of kicking our knight out and opening up the king side. I hope you enjoyed this short video lesson and you found the move queen c4 instructive. If you did, please do subscribe to my chess channel. You can also consider hiring me as your personal chess coach online. That's my full-time job at the moment. Please stay safe, my friends, and continue loving the games. Bye bye.